This is the StrikeLine CR, a USB-C micro SD card reader. Install the card reader and micro SD card into the phone's USB-C port. In the main menu, select Files. In the Files menu, press the Browse icon. The card reader will appear in locations as no name. You now have access to the SD card. To upload something onto the SD card, choose your file and click the Share button. Scroll down and find Save to Files, and then find your SD card in the Locations tab and click Save. Using the StrikeLine CR on a MacBook, once input it should automatically pop up. Choose Allow. Find it on your desktop or Finder, and you are ready to download or upload. Make sure to eject it before pulling it out of the computer. Accessing SD card files on Android. Find the My Files tab on your phone. Locate and select USB storage, and you now have access to the SD card. To upload, find your file and hold down on it. Choose Move at the bottom and find your SD card in the Storage tab. Once you have found the SD card, click Move here at the bottom right. To unmount the card reader, go to the three dots at the top right and click Unmount. Using card reader on PC, once plugged in it should automatically pop up. Find the SD card and click on it. You now have access to this SD card. To eject, right-click and choose Eject. To remove the SD card, push in the card until it clicks to release it.